2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as four-wheel drive, backup camera, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.